Hey guys, and welcome to the vocabulary video where we're going to be focusing on some basic vocabulary words. We're going to look at containers with vocabulary. We're going to be creating some phrases and looking at a few different vocabulary words. Now, this is the first video of a series of videos that I'm going to create where we're going to practice vocabulary, pronunciation, listening skills, speaking skills, grammar skills, writing, reading, a little bit of everything. For this very first video, we're just focusing on vocabulary and practicing vocabulary. I'm not going to explain anything very much. I'm not going to be getting into what these vocabulary words are or these phrases are because they're very basic vocabulary words. But the idea here is just mainly to practice. All right, guys, so we have 4 activities that we're going to get into. We're going to look at the first activity here, which is marking the word that is different. So they're going to be a series of words, and we have to choose which word is different. So let's get into that. Let me get out the way here, blocking the words. So we're going to start with this activity. What do you need? You need notebook and pencil or pen. So make sure you have your notebook and a pencil or a pen. Take notes. All right? So copy everything. Take notes, and that's how you're going to improve your English skills. The idea is not to just watch a video and that's it. No, the idea is to pause the video when you need to pause the video, take notes, copy everything, do the work, do the activities, and that's how you improve your English skills. So let's begin with this first activity. What do we have to do? Here you're going to see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A series of 5 groups of words. Number 1, breakfast, dessert, dinner, lunch. Number 2, mushrooms, onions, peas, strawberries. Number 3, milk, water, orange juice, sugar. Number 4, French fries, tomatoes, potato chips. Number 5, cake, chicken, fruit salad, ice cream. What you have to do is you have to find the word that is different. For example, I'll give you an example here. An example. Number 1, as an example. We have breakfast, dessert, dinner, lunch. Which one is different? Dessert is different. Breakfast, dinner, and lunch, all of these are similar. Similar. But dessert, this one is different. All right, so you have to circle the different word. In this case, it's dessert. All right, so at this moment, I need you to pause the video. On the very bottom, pause the video, copy the information, copy the words, and circle the word that is different from the series or the group of words. Which word is different? All right, so go ahead, pause the video and complete that. Ready? Did you pause the video? You guys have to pause the video and do the activity. That's how you will improve. So let's check it real quick. Number 2, mushrooms, onions, peas, and strawberries. Which one is different? I would probably say strawberries is different because mushrooms, onions, and peas are vegetables. Strawberries is a fruit. Number 3, milk, water, orange juice, sugar. Which one is different? Sugar. Right? So milk, water, and orange juice, you drink. Sugar, you don't drink, you eat. Number 4, French fries, tomatoes, potato chips. Tomatoes. Tomatoes is different because French fries, potatoes, potato chips, they all have potatoes. Number 5, cake, chicken, fruit salad, ice cream. Which one is different? Probably chicken. Why is chicken different? Because cake, fruit salad, and ice cream are desserts. Chicken is not a dessert. All right, did you guys get it correct? Remember to do the activities. All right, good, super simple. So let me erase here. Get out of there, and we'll go on to the next activity on the bottom. We're going to match the food items with the containers. Let's come in here. And we have, let me make it a little bit bigger. Put myself in the corner over here. Or I can put myself down here. Yeah, down there is fine. Okay. So we have chocolates, fruit juice, honey, rice, tomatoes. And we have 5 containers. A box of, a can of, a jar of, a package of, and a carton of. We have to put the correct food next to the correct container. So in this moment, in your notebook, remember, have a notebook and pencil. In your notebook, open your notebook and copy this information. Pause the video, and copy this information and complete it. And then we will check it together. Ready? Okay, so let's do it. Let's check it. Number 1, a box of chocolates. A box of chocolates. Number 2, a can of tomatoes. A can of tomatoes. Number 3, a jar of honey. Number 4, a package of rice. A package of rice. Number 5, a carton of fruit juice. A carton of fruit juice. So we have a box of chocolates, a can of tomatoes, a jar of honey, a package of rice, and a carton of fruit juice. Remember to copy everything down in your notebook. If you got it incorrect, no problem. Erase it and write the correct answer. Okay? Remember that we're just practicing. It's only practice, where I'm not explaining anything. We're not getting into theories and an entire explainer video. No, it's only practice. Only practice. In future videos, I'll explain more content. We'll get into some grammar and into some pronunciation and to different things. But for this very first video, it's basically just practice. That's it. All right. So good job, guys. Let me erase here. Let's get out of here. And we'll go on to the third activity. All right. So let's go ahead. ahead and get into circling the appropriate word or phrase. Let's circle the appropriate word or phrase. So what do we have to do here? Get myself out the way. Okay. So we have 5 sentences, and you have 2 options. The 2 options are, number 1, it's 120s or it's 120. These are the 2 options. Option 1, option 2. The population is about 3 million or millions. 1 or 2. The new department shop or the new department store is great. Let's have a coffee at one of those cafes in the square or in the bridge. Where is the train center or the train station? It should be just center. Center or station. So you have 2 options. In your notebook, open up your notebook, copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and choose which is the correct option. All right, and then we'll check it together. So go ahead, pause the video and complete that. Ready? Okay, so let's check it. Let's check it together here. Number 1, it's 120s or it's 120 miles from here. Correct option, it's 120 miles. It's 120 miles, so not this one. It's no A either. It's 120 miles from here. Number 2, the population is about 3 million, not millions. We don't put an S on there. The population is about 3 million. Number 3, that new department shop or that new department store is great. We would say the new department store is great. Department shop, no. Number 4, let's have a coffee at one of those cafes in the square or in the bridge. In the square, not in the bridge. Number 5, where is the train center or where is the train station? Where's the train station, not center. Where's the train station? So open your notebook, make sure you correct it, circle the correct option, take notes, super important. All right, guys? All right, remember you can pause the video anytime you need to. Let me erase here. And we'll go on to the last activity. Fill in the blanks with these verbs. So we have to fill in the blanks. What are the blanks? Let me get myself out the way, put myself in the middle right here. Okay. So we have 10 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 verbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to put the correct verb next to the correct phrase. Okay? For example, number 1. I'll give you number 1 as an example. In a hotel. So which one would we say? Become in a hotel, book in a hotel, fall in a hotel, get in a hotel, go to a hotel, in a hotel, have in a hotel, meet in a hotel, rent, stay, visit in a hotel. We would say stay in a hotel. To stay in a hotel. That's the correct combination. All right, so in your notebook, pause the video, copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and complete the activity with the verbs on the top. All right, so go ahead there. Pause the video and complete. Ready? Okay. So let's check it. Number one, to stay in a hotel. No problem. Number two would be to go by bus. Go by bus. Number three, become famous. To become famous. Number four, to get married. Get married. Number five, fall in love. Fall in love. Number six, book flights. So you book flights. It's like to schedule a flight on an airplane. You book flights. Number seven, to meet somebody new. Meet somebody new. Number eight, you want to visit a museum. Visit a museum. Number nine, have a great meal. To have a great meal. And number 10, rent an apartment. Rent an apartment. All right, so these are the expressions. These are the verbs and the adjectives or nouns that the verb goes with. You connect these verbs with these nouns. Right, so like always in your notebook, copy everything in your notebook. In future videos, we're going to continue practicing and I'll explain the grammar and I'll explain some listening skills and we're going to practice many things in future videos. All right, guys, if you like this short little practice video, just to practice your English skills, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so that you have the future videos that I'm going to make so that you can practice your English skills. All right, we all finished with this video. I'll see you guys in the next video where we will practice other English skills. Super easy. Make sure you copy everything in your notebook. All right, guys? So you guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.